Hey, how you doing today? Did you need any help with anything, or are you doing okay? You're just fixing a bike tire? Yeah? Do you got all the equipment you need and tubes and everything?
I don't have any of the things to actually take the tire out, so I ruined one tool already. So
Okay, what kind of tool would take a tire out?
they're like plastic, and they're kind of like almost like that, but they have like it's got like they sell them in like sets of 3 or like with a bike tire changing kit.
Okay. Do you think they'd have that over here at like Walmart or something?
For sure.
And it's just like a bike tire plastic tool. Okay.
Or like just the tire repair kit. It should have it.
Tire repair kit?
Not that long, about that wide. They're usually plastic, and they got a little notch at the bottom to hook onto the spokes.
Okay.
Turn them around the tire and it pops the tire off.
Okay. Is that all you need, or do you need anything else? Or?
Pretty much. Let's be honest.
Sure. I can get you something else if you need it. So.
I don't know if they have.
Yeah, it doesn't look too easy with a fork. So.
If I had like 2 more forks, it wouldn't be too bad. And it's the other kind of like they hook on like that, and so it pops one side off, and so these tubes over there.
Okay. You need a tube also. Yeah, I'm just walking around making videos, trying to help people out, so I can got it all on video, so I can check out the video when I'm over there.
If you want to check while you're at Walmart,
Okay.
I just need it to have like a long stem like that.
Okay.
It's a 700C. You can take this box.
Okay.
700. This is an 18 by 23. It can be like a 700 by 20, 25 or whatever. There's different numbers after. 700 is really the only one that really matters.
Okay. So 700 by anything.
By pretty much anything. The
And this
lower
is
the number, the better.
This is the tube.
Yeah, it's the tube. And
Okay.
then just if it has a long spout like that.
A long spout.
If it has
okay.
like a little short one like that, then
Okay.
I can't do that because my frames are that thick.
Okay. And a tire repair kit for the plastic
Yeah,
piece.
just get it.
All right, man. Give me like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go see what I can find, and I'll come back. Okay.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. What's your name?
Yeah.
Daniel. I'm Randy. So yeah. See you soon. Hey, brother. So I got this repair kit for you, which should have your,
Yep, those things.
yeah, it has 2 of those in there. This is a 700, but it's 25 to 32. That was the smallest they had. This is another one.
Oh, this one has spoilers.
Oh, perfect. You got extra then. And I got you a bike pump with a gauge too, so you might already have one, I don't know, but that should have a gauge, so hopefully that'll help you out, man. So.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that
Yeah, no problem.
so much.
Do you need this back, or I can throw it away if you don't want it. If you still need it, you can have it then. If I need it, okay, I'll take care of it for you. So you just got to throw that into that tube, and then you're good to go on both of them. Yeah, you want to try it? I can try to help you out. How's your day going so far?
Didn't get any work today for weather. These tires are really skinny. They got the little lip thing. You're just gonna try and come out in these little grooves like this one. You can hook on the spokes like that. And then what I usually try to do is I try and work it around as much as I can to get one. You basically want the tire partly on the ring, partly off.
Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. And that pulls it off.
If you take it all the way off, then it's up.
Oh, okay.
It's off.
Ah, there you go.
Oh, it's so much easier with the right tools. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure, man.
You just saved me like 2 hours worth of work probably.
It's excellent, yes.
And you need help.
You need to do anything with this one?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing I'm doing with this one.
Okay. Just let me know what I can do to help. What kind of work do you usually do?
Construction.
Oh, that's cool.
Yours is an upgrade for sure.
Yeah, they had the gauge and the not gauge.
That's got a little frame thing too. Feel like there's, oh yeah, there is.
35 or so. One down. At least it's not raining though. It's
Yeah.
forecast to rain more.
I don't know.
That's
It's a way better pump than this little crappy one I got.
really? That's good. So there we go.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no pleasure. Yeah, of course.
You literally just saved me hours.
Glad I could help. Yeah, I'll take out some of this trash too. Whatever you don't need. Oh, good. Looking nice. Good to go, man.
Perfect.
Perfect, man. Hey, nice meeting you, man.
You too.
Best of luck to you.
Thanks. Oh, these go.
Okay, perfect. Nice. Awesome. Alright, brother. Well, you take care of yourself. Hopefully you keep getting some more work at your spot. That's a couple bucks for you, man.
Oh, thank you.
No problem, man.
Appreciate it.
You have an excellent day, okay? Yeah, you too. I'm sorry. Do that again? Alright, take care, Daniel. You too. God bless you, man. Take it easy.
You rock. You make my day.
Stay warm, alright?